The cryptocurrency market today evokes sensation mixed with 4 of the top 10 that fell in value. However, in general, it was not bad for the industry. The biggest improvement was 7.55%. It should be noted that when the evaluation was called at 6 in the afternoon, the Pioneer Bitcoin was still at the top, but with a drop of 0.07% at a market price of $772.76. Surely, it could be the growing congestions making the rise in the network, but there have been complaints of transactions to take hours to complete. Sanity must prevail to allow scaling. But in the second place, Ether improved its classification by rating the exchange rate of $8.58 and a score of 2.16%. It is becoming strong and commendable. Ripple is still on number 3, earning a mere 0.03%, a short drop of yesterday's biggest raise among the top 10 best crypto in CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, it was selling for $0.007128, and this list continues with Litecoin, which lost 0.30%, and exchanges had it at $3.69, and a quick exit from its previous 2.29% growth. But it seemed that the controversy, Monero, cannot be evicted from the 5th position. With a notable upward adjustment of 2.50%, it was sold at $7.98, proving an improvement. But Ethereum Classic did not rest, earning an appreciation of 1.25%, which was much better than the previous 0.73%, and the closing at $0.829797, maintaining position number 6. And then Dash was not bad today, keeping the number 7. The exchange rate was $8.83 with an increase of 0.98%. And this anonymous crypto doesn't go down for a long time. Steem seems like to be like an oscillating pendulum. Yesterday's gain of 1.10% was eclipsed when it closed with a downward adjustment of 3.29% and sold for $0.240210. But in position number 9, the toughest currency of the day was Anger, and it was made remarkable recovery to score the biggest gain of the day, and the value was $3.46, registering 7.55%. Interestingly, the battle between MadeSafe and Neem continues on a battle. MadeSafe displayed Neem from the bottom of the top 10 again with an increase of not less than 4.66%. And this discussion has been going on for months. That was the second best for the day, but MadeSafe was selling for $0.0679194, and the remarkable cryptocurrency of the month was Mooncoin. It's rising to the moon without comparison. In fact, it is called for the most impressive currency at this time. For the 524.91% stock market, it is not an average feat for a currency that is at number 96. But the good news is that you can add more of it to your portfolio, since it costs only $0.000004. And people who invest in the cryptocurrency market consumes a large amount of time collecting and comparing information from different areas that may affect the forecast of cryptocurrencies. But the adoptions at international level, alliances between industries, and unexpected regulations or internal movements can raise or decrease the price of a currency. And it is due to this complex ecosystem that CryptoBing has developed to devote itself to monitoring and analyzing the data of the cryptocurrency exchange houses. And CryptoBing is responsible for notifying the movements of exchanges houses to users by means of an instant message. CryptoPing is a company dedicated to assist and help all investors in this ecosystem by tracking various exchange houses and all the cryptocurrencies of the market in order to notify users of changes in purchases volumes that suffer the same. But the novelty of the company is that these alerts to customers will be made by means of a robot that will send instant messages every time a signal occurs in the market. And this way users will receive notifications by means of a chat on Telegram and soon on Discord and Slack with all the relevant data and the fluctuation. But CryptoBing offers a solution, an assistant robot that can indicate when the market situation changes and when it might be a good time to buy a certain alternative cryptocurrency. At the moment, CryptoBing is working with several of the major international exchange houses. Poloniex, Bittrex, and Cryptopia. But it foresees that many others will be added when the platform is launched to the public and its initial currency offering, ICO, is finalized this June 25th. Likewise, any interested user can test the system for free before the closing of the ICO, and all you have to do is register and configure the data for the cryptocurrency you want to monitor. In this phase, the company has had considerable success since it has more than 20,000 active users. But the CryptoBing robot is exclusively dedicated to inform market changes. Any investment decision is made only by the users. In the same way, the specialized group of CryptoBing is the one that carries out the monitoring, analyzing, and prediction of the market. However, they emphasize that the world of cryptocurrencies is not stable, so unexpected fluctuation may occur. Likewise, the robot can perform a privileged service to a single currency, tracking the market threshold and the exchange of the same. And you can even make personalized signals with adapted frequencies, or analytical signals with price history and performance of each currency. And the notification of the robot arrives at a chat message where the monitored currency is highlighted, a link to the exchange house, including the volume of purchases of the currency that increased in the last hours, and the number of purchases in BTC, the growth of the price of the currency compared with the average price and the last price of the currency. Likewise, the message would also inform the market signals of all the cryptocurrencies in that exchange house in the last 7 days, and the capitalization of the cryptocurrency in the market at the moment in which the signal occurred. But the messages sent by the robot will have a format that summarizes the data of interest for the investors.